animation cover from Virgil Abloh book. And also this time around, I will be showing you, actually, this book came in with 2 covers. So right now, I'm going to reveal the second cover. So, okay. Oh wow, this is very interesting. I got a magazine, obviously. Well, this time they have a different envelope. Last time I remember it was in silver metallic. So this is a book that came with it. Very interesting. So this is the number 14 right here. And let me show you the second cover of the Virgil Abloh book right here. So this is the hot air balloon version right here. So I'm going to give you a closer look on this book right here. So I actually purchased this online. So on the description online, they said that the version that you will be getting, you may receive maybe one of these 2 covers right here. So you may receive the hot air balloon or the animation, and it is not possible to choose among those covers. So yeah, whatever they have in stock, whatever they have available, so they'll send one out, but you cannot really choose. Even if you call the client services, they cannot pick the covers for you. But if you have a sales associate, or if you're at the store, there is a possibility that when any of these are available, yes, you could choose any of the covers, but online you cannot. So that's the only difference. So this is the cover. Wow, I just totally love this covers, guys. I mean, when I placed this online, I had a feeling that this one I will be getting the hot air balloon, but I believe that the animation, this one, I think it's already been sold out. I think it's really hard to get hands on these. I believe it is. So anyway, I will be doing a flip through on the Virgil Abloh book. Okay?